I never do anything basic, but for my dream board, I want it to be extra, extra. So check out what I've done. Looks like on the back. Makeshift, updated over the years. This helps the pins from popping back out. And just like that, it's gone. New chapter, new board coming in. I can't wait to share.
It's very cute.
Oh my goodness.
Your eyes are so cute. This is fun.
Oh,
You'll
no,
love this.
I already love
this.
the backing. Look at the back of it now.
So this is all stretched, so there's lights. I've left you a little bit of a, I couldn't find a way to hide those
That's okay, don't
parts,
worry.
but it's gonna be really cute. You're gonna love it.
Thank you. Look how big it is. That's the one.
You've got different intensities. It is festive. You could be very festive.
No, I think white and blue.
You
We're gonna stick to
can,
white.
you can pick your, oops.
You can half and half
pick your
it.
colors. Sometimes it seems to want to do the half and half on its own.
Tell me about your framing.
The framing, well, in this case you're using 3 separate layers of Italian-made molding, all handmade, hand-finished in Italy. It wasn't enough to have, say, just the outside or just the inside. We've got the beautiful enameled white on the outside, a flat finish on the inside, and then the rippled enamel on the inside as well. So you get nothing but gorgeous white on white. Right?
Love it. Oh my God.
And it all, yeah, I think it'll actually even cast a bit of light in the room.
It does actually.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah. It's a piece of art.
It's a piece of art.
Well done. Okay, so let's get this party started. It is time to put the dream board back together. My vision has never been more clear. After my last week in New York, guys, I'm gonna aim a lot higher. I'm shooting for the stars. So I got a lot of pieces to put back together, but a lot of new ones to make. Thanks, Jazz, for putting it up. It looks really good. You did a good job. Hardest part of putting the map back together because I actually don't know where half of these places are on the map. I had to Google it.